how to create an animated GIF in PowerPoint. It's very cool. So here I am with a brand new presentation, and here's one I made earlier that has a panda doing different things, and you'll notice that I've made the background of the slide orange and I've just placed the panda doing different things. Now this is 3 different images, but it could be one image just moving along. So first of all, I'm going to start by not design ideas, by going to the design ribbon, format the background, and I'm just going to choose a solid fill color, and I'm going to choose my orange. Then I'm going to go to the insert ribbon and I'm going to insert a picture, but I'm actually going to choose from stock images. Once you choose from stock images, there's loads of stuff you can add, but I'm going to go to stickers, and this is where I found the panda. So you'll see there are various stickers, bees, cats. Let's go for the little dog. He's got let's have him just like so. Now probably the background's not the best background for him, so I'm going to go back to the design ribbon and I'm going to change the format of the background to just a different color. Let's sit him on a yellow background. Does that work? Or even a blue one. Let's go with the blue. Nice contrast there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this slide. So Control and D on your keyboard will duplicate the slide. So I've created 4 slides, and on the first slide I'm going to move him down here, and I'm going to rotate, no, I'm not going to rotate him, I'm going to flip him. You can flip him vertically or horizontally so that he's looking the other way. So here he is at the bottom left of my slide. Now I'm going to come here and move him to the middle. Again, I'm going to flip him so that he's going in that direction. I'm going to rotate him a little bit. And in the last one, I'm going to move him right up to the top. Again, picture format, flip, or even, you know what, let's have some fun. Let's make him go upside down. Now, I could have another frame in here if I wanted to, but I'm going to stick with 3. The next thing to do is to save this as, and I'm going to just choose on this PC in my document folder and change the file to an animated GIF, which has now arrived in PowerPoint. And this one I'm going to call him dog, and click save. Now nothing seems to have happened here in the presentation, but what I am going to do is go into my folder, which is on my other screen, and go to my documents folder over here, and we'll find that we've got our dog GIF here, and it will open up, and now the dog is jumping around. And that's how you create an animated GIF in PowerPoint. And you can then use that by placing it in a presentation so that it would move. So if we come and add a new slide to my panda, go to insert picture from this device, I'll go to documents, find my dog GIF, and there he is. And you'll see that we can even give it a nice, let's go for the pretty frame with design ideas, and you'll see it works. And it works. And that's how you do an animated GIF. Thanks for watching.